A warm welcome to motherhood. Having a newborn is a beautiful journey. It comes with new experiences every day. One of the best things you can do is establish routines. Babies find routines comforting. They know what to expect. Start with simple routines. These can be for feeding, sleeping, and diaper changes. This helps your baby feel secure and loved. It also makes your life a little easier. Routines help babies learn the rhythm of the day and night. It helps them understand when it's time to sleep or be awake. Routines can also reduce crying. Remember, every baby is different. What works for one baby may not work for another. Be patient, find your groove, and enjoy this special time. Feeding your baby is a wonderful bonding experience. Whether you choose breastfeeding or bottle feeding, what matters most is that your baby is fed. Newborns need to eat frequently, about every 2 to 3 hours. If you're breastfeeding, find a comfortable position. Make sure your baby latches correctly. It might feel challenging initially, but it gets easier. If you are bottle feeding, choose a formula that is right for your baby. Always hold your baby close while feeding. Make eye contact. This makes feeding time not just about nourishment, but also about love and connection. Look for signs that your baby is full, like turning their head away or closing their mouth. Burp your baby after every feeding to prevent gas. Newborns sleep a lot, around 16 to 17 hours a day, but they sleep in short bursts. This can be tiring for you, but remember, it's normal. Establish a consistent bedtime routine. This could include a warm bath, a gentle massage, and putting on pajamas. Keep the room dim and quiet. A white noise machine can be helpful. Put your baby to sleep on their back in their crib or bassinet. Swaddling can help your baby feel secure. Avoid putting loose blankets or toys in the crib. These can be a safety hazard. Remember, a safe sleep environment is crucial. Section 4. All changed, fresh, and clean. Diaper changes are a frequent event. Newborns need their diapers changed every 2 to 3 hours. It might seem like a lot, but it's important to keep your baby clean and comfortable. Always wash your hands before and after every diaper change. Use gentle wipes or warm water and cotton wool. Apply a barrier cream to prevent diaper rash. Make diaper changes a positive experience. Talk to your baby, sing songs, or make funny faces. This can make diaper changes more enjoyable for both of you. Section 5. Time for mom. You matter too. Being a new mom is a demanding job, but don't forget about yourself. It's easy to get caught up in caring for your newborn, but self-care is essential. Take short breaks when your baby is asleep. Even a few minutes of quiet time can help you feel refreshed. Ask for help from your partner, family, or friends when you need it. Don't hesitate to accept help with household chores or errands. This will give you more time to rest and bond with your baby. Remember, a